Alright, another video that I'm going to show you today, DIY. This door is really hard to close. You have to really push in to close it. Like, really? I mean, it's aligned and it goes in, but the thing is, it's really hard to close. So, what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to take this, take it out and move it that way. Move it that way, out just a little tad bit. I don't have all the materials I need here since I'm not exactly at home but out of the state. But I'm going to show you how to do it with the limited supplies that I have. So, put that right there. First, I'm going to take this out real quick. Just take these two screws out. These are very easy screws to take out. Manually take them out. Take them out. There we go. Now, I don't have much. Usually what people will do, they will take some toothpicks, put them in here, super glue them, so you can fill these holes. I don't quite have that. What I have are these. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this apart. I have one already cut apart right here. And instead of using, I'm going to fold that like this, like so. If you could see that. I'm just folding it in. And the only reason why I'm folding it in is so I could get into the hole. Now what this is just basically fills the gap of the hole. So therefore, I could scoot, just kind of punch it in a little bit. And that punches in pretty much all the way. Need another piece, and these are basically what I'm going to call my hole fillers, and this is what I'm using, just little what I have available, and this works too. Take this, cut it kind of, take it apart, open it up. There we go. Then take this, cut it right there. That's all. That's the piece I need. Same thing. Right now, it's very hard to stick in right now because this is a little bit too wide. So I'm just gonna make sure I kind of squeeze it, fold it in half. If you see what I'm doing there, just folding it. Basically, this is kind of my hole filler. This is what I'm using as a hole filler. Kind of try to stick that in there. Use a little hammer, just get it in. There we go. That fills my hole. Then the next step is all I need to do is screw it in. Basically, just fill the hole. Instead of having this all the way in, I'm going to put this out kind of like right there. And that's basically all I'm going to do. Take that. I filled the holes already. And I only need it barely out, so I'm just going to put that right there. I don't even have a drill, so I can't do this. So I have to manually put this in. And if you can see, I'm next to it, so that's why I need to put that hole filler, if you could see it right next to it. But I'm so close that that's what fills the hole and that's what keeps the screw in place. So we go in. Just a little bit. There we go, that one is in. And then you just need to do the top one about the same. Right next to the previous hole. That's just off by such a little amount. That's the difference between making these doors close easy and close and have a more difficult time closing. But that's all you need to do. Just put that in like this. Tighten it in. Tighten it in. That's in. Right now the door should be closed pretty easily. Pretty easy close now. And basically that's how you adjust it. That's it. These are the tools I've been using. That's it, and a hammer. Don't exactly have my own tools, but that's all I needed. 5-minute fix to make sure the door closes right.